Today we're going to talk about glazes. There are two types of glazes that we're going to cover. One is a savory glaze and the other one is a sweet glaze. Savory glaze we're going to make with egg and or egg yolk, and the sweet we're going to make with the strawberry jam. First though, before we start, we want to make sure that all our surfaces are sanitized and clean, that our hands are washed with warm soapy water and that we've dried them thoroughly, that all our tools and utensils are ready and clean and accessible. Okay, so for the savory glaze, I'm going to use an egg yolk. And I've separated the egg yolk and the egg whites, and the egg whites we're not going to waste. We're going to use for a later dish, so I'm going to set those aside. So with the egg yolk, I'm going to take our pastry brush, which typically nowadays they're silicone. This one I happen to have is nylon, and we're just going to whisk it together, beat it around, both with the friction from movement and from the heat once we've applied it. We're going to break up the proteins and cause them to coagulate. And then we're going to take this mixture, this egg yolk mixture, after we've mixed it really well and thinned it out, and we're going to spread that onto our pastry dough and then put it in the oven right away so that it can heat it and create a nice crisp, glossy, homogenized coating on top of the pastry to retain the shape of the food, to enhance the nutrient value, the digestibility and the palatability by, once we add the fruit, not making it mushy. Okay, for the sweet glaze, we're going to put our stove on medium heat, and we're going to use our small pot, and we're going to take our strawberry jam, fresh strawberry jam made with local berries, and we're going to put that in here. And we're going to stir it around. And we're going to caramelize the sugar so it makes a nice glossy coating. I'm going to whisk it together and add a little bit of water so that the glaze doesn't get too thick.
Flaky and light and delicious.
Oh.
I think they must have funny. Just keep going. That's sweet.
Great, thank you.